a guy that I seen on YouTube, Jesse Iwuji.
Yeah. So right now, right behind us, we got the 2023 Corvette C8 Z06 non-Z07 package. The thing is bone stock because you can't really do anything to these cars anyways right now. We got it here at Baily's Hyperformance right now. We're gonna put it on the dyno and see what it does bone stock. I've heard different numbers, different places. Obviously from the factory, it makes 670 horsepower to the motor, and this motor is a 5.5 liter flat plane crank V8, different than anything that Chevy's ever made. I mean, you know of the normal LT1s, LT4s, LT2s, all that stuff, right? This is completely different. This car right here, it doesn't have your normal push, normal LT or even LS style motor. I mean, this thing is flat plane crank, similar to a Ferrari motor. Very much takes a lot of. If you took a 458 motor and you took this motor and you put them right next to each other, they have a lot of similarities.
Hey, where can they find you at, Jesse?
Yeah,
on your IG.
Yeah, find me on IG. Look up Jesse Iwuji's JESSE_IWUJI.
And you're military, man. That's where I seen you on military.
Yeah. There you go.
Thank you for your service, brother.
Most definitely.
Yes, sir. How'd it do, Chris?
598 and 416.
Nice.
What the heck? Does Chevy finally make something fast?
Wait a minute.
That's without letting it cool down.
Wait a minute.
Let it cool down. Literally drove like 30-something miles, let it heat up, got here, put it on, didn't even let it cool down, just immediately got to it at 598. Now we're gonna let it cool down and see what it does. But
yeah, that's pretty impressive.
Super impressive. 93 octane pump gas, like nothing crazy. I didn't throw race fuel in there or anything like that. So yeah.
How did she do, Chris?
Feels good. Let's see. 596. A little more torque though.
A little more torque, yeah.
Pretty consistent.
So it got a little bit more torque.
Yeah. A little more torque, a little more power. Pretty consistent. Did pretty good. That's impressive.
Yeah, it is.
That's impressive. But you're gonna have to move to Texas to get that power all the time.
Right?
So what's your thoughts, my brother?
It's cool. I'm happy with it. I'm happy with it. This thing makes good solid power. And there's another one out there that I know has hit the dyno. He has the carbon fiber wheels, which are a little bit lighter. So I'm sure he probably made a little bit more because he had the lighter wheels. So this is what, like, anybody who's not getting the Z07,
right?
That's what you can expect right here. The DA is perfect. It's basically.
All right, now Jesse, now don't make the mistake like my other son, my white son, 3-speed 717. You know, I had to school my son.
Oh man.
Yeah, but he was in the McLaren. I've never raced him in the vet, but he was in the McLaren.
These things are pretty quick. I'm very curious to see what this thing will do on track the way it sits. So I gotta take it to a track now and see what it does. But I'm happy with it though. 596, 598. So 598 was a high number. I'm cool with that.
Nice.
I'll take it. Almost 600 wheel all day long.
Wow, look at the bottom of this thing. Jesse, the bottom of this car is closed off, man. What's that all about?
It's for aerodynamics, so the air smoothly flows underneath the car, because when it goes over the car, right, they want to create downforce, but underneath, they don't want to create lift, right? So they get all the air completely rushing out as quick as possible. It doesn't get stuck in places. It doesn't cause turbulence and all these different things that can cause drag, cause lift, all that stuff. So,
But now, is that something y'all do in NASCAR also?
you do it in every kind of racing, as much as you can, at least.
Wait a minute, I'm not Chris. I need you to put this on the bottom of my car, man.
Man, I would, but I can't have you faster than me.
Stop it already.
I already got them tricks in the works.
Stop it already, man. Hey, y'all, I'm here at Baily's Hyperformance. Now, this guy is just, man, he just always on me doing something sneaky. Now, he done took my Whipple. My Whipple is on its way to Kong. He done took my Whipple, and he done put my Whipple in a damn Magnuson box. No good, man. Chris, why you do a brother like this, man?
Well, I'm hoping that at least if it's in the presence of greatness,
man, get out the way, man. I already told you, Whipple. I done told you, get off that nipple and get with this Whipple. Now I done told him, y'all. He all on that Magnuson nipple. I told him to get with the Whipple, baby. That's what you got.
Maybe it'll come back faster. I don't know.
Stop it already. You just, man, this dude right here. Good Lord, y'all. So Jesse, you done came up here and dynoed, and now you finna hit the road?
Yep, about to hit the road right now. So yeah, this car did well, almost 600 wheels, so I'm cool with it.
Hey man, how far you gotta travel, brother?
I gotta go to California at some point here, about a week and a half, so yeah.
Going back to Cali?
Yeah.
I don't think so, not me, brother. Take care of my man.
All right.
Nice. That's sweet.
Hey guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and also click the bell. Check out the videos up at the top, and if you get a chance, check out our merch store. Peace.